Alright, I'm going to show you another strategy that we've been using for addition in Room 9. This way is called using an algorithm with expanded notation. The reason we do this is so that students have a really deep understanding of what they are adding, that they can really clearly see the tens, the ones, and the hundreds. Let's use the same numbers, 67 plus 28. When you add this way, you have to put them on top of each other, the two numbers. The ones have to be on top of the ones, and the tens have to be on top of the tens. Then I'm going to write the first addend, 67, into expanded notation, which means I'm breaking it up into tens and ones. So it'd be 60 plus 7. I'm going to do the same thing with 28. I'm going to do 20 plus 8, and I'm going to draw a line under it. This way I can clearly see how many tens I have and how many ones I have. Now I'm going to add the 7 plus the 8. I know that 7 and 7 is 14, and then one more would make 15. So I'm going to put the 5 here because in 15 there are 5 ones. The 1 in 15 stands for a 10, and it can't go down there with the ones. It has to go up here with the tens. So I'm going to write it up above. Now I have to add up all my tens. I'm going to start with 60 because it's the highest number. 60, 70, 80, 90. So I got 90 in the tens place. 90 plus 5 is 95, and that's my answer. It also works with hundreds. Here's an example. Let's do 125 plus 118. You write the 125 into expanded notation. Same with the 118. It's 100, 110, and 8 ones. And then you draw a line under it. Now I'm going to add the 5 plus the 8. One way to do that is by counting on. Put 8 in your head and add on 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13. That's 3 ones and 1 10. I'm going to put the 10 with the tens. And that gives me 20, 30, 40. So 4 tens, that's 40. Now I have to add the 2 hundreds. 100 and 100, that's 200. All I have to do now is put the number from expanded form back to standard form, which is 243.